Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In this video, I just want to give my final conclusions on my EMA-based Ironfly bots. So I had 4 of them that I introduced, I don't know, a week or 2 ago. And basically what I'm doing is just using the EMAs, the 9 and the 14 EMAs, to determine the trend of the underlying asset, and then opening either a shorter-termed even-winged Ironfly or a broken wing Ironfly. And I was doing that for a short term as well as a longer term Ironfly or longer term expiration. And I'm not going to go over every single iteration. I just want to show you what the results were. And basically you can see the trends right here, and this yellow one right here, which is the shorter termed Ironfly, the shorter termed expiration. And then it was an even wing, so that the long option legs were equidistant from the short option legs. And you can see this one had a much higher profit than all the other ones. So if I were to compare these right here to my free range Ironfly or my 10 DTE Ironfly, those results are also pretty telling. And that is shown right here. So once again, they're all color coded. And so you can see the yellow one has performed the best. So this is either 3 or 5 DTE. This was an even 10 strike wide Ironfly, and it was taking profits at 10%, or it had a negative 20% stop loss. And there are about 20 trades or so. With the free range, it just lost a lot of money over these last few weeks, as well as the 10 DTE losing the most money. So again, the conclusions are pretty much the same as when I started it. The shorter dated Ironflies work the best, as well as those Ironflies in which you receive more premium upfront, and those would be the even winged Ironflies. So I tried the broken wings. They didn't perform as well. Even this even winged with the 7 DTE, this blue one over here, it did perform better than either version of the broken wings. My overall conclusion is that this does have some potential, but as of right now, I'm going to start focusing more on the credit spread bots that I also introduced a few weeks ago. So I'm going to be turning these ones off right now, but I just wanted to at least give some closure to this testing that I was doing right here. So if you have any questions about this set of strategies or Option Alpha in general and making bots, then go ahead and leave a comment down below. Or you can catch me on Twitter or also in the community on Option Alpha, and there's a link down in the description for you to check it out. In the meantime, trade wisely and take care.